My name's Glenn Salt, Operations Manager, LaManna Premier. I've been in the industry 34 years. Here at LaManna's, we ripen fruit for service provision customers. We also supply the supply chain. You name it, we do it. Everything from your citrus lines to your hard lines and anything in between. Here in Footscray, we have 41 ripening rooms where we ripen bananas, avocados and mangoes and kiwi fruit all year round. In any given avocado room at any time, there's the equivalent of 311,000 smashed avocado meals waiting to be supplied to the customer out there. In our industry, you'll get tested sooner or later, and it comes. And it's at that time that you look around, and it's a little bit like friendships. You look around, who can you rely on, who can you trust, who has honesty and integrity. And the one team that I can trust is Cold Logic. What this relationship with Cold Logic has allowed me to do is to put in preventative maintenance programs. We spend some time with Cold Logic working through short-term and long-term goals that we'd like to meet for our site. So it's become a really strong bond and a really strong relationship. We're being serviced by the best, and we're being serviced by a company that knows what we want and is quick to deliver. Their ability to problem solve and their ability to be honest and open and upfront and say, this is how it is, whether that be the affordability of something or whether that be what we need to do next to solve that problem, is unequaled by anyone in the business. They're probably they give you a blue collar work ethic, but they deliver with a white collar vision, which is something which I'm all about. They've got a number of people in their business that have been with them a long time, who I know from years ago, and I have no problem in putting my faith with them. I pick up the phone and I ask a question. What's going to happen here? What's the best outcome? What's the worst outcome? What's it going to cost? Straight up, tell me how it is. That's what I want. What it does then, it allows me more time to get into the nuts and bolts of the rest of my business, knowing that we're covered out there. Cold Logic took the time out to understand certain areas of my business that are important to me, and what's important to me is now important to them.